I just want to let y'all know. I did that. Like, wait and take out glasses. I did that.
I need some wet shit, net. I need some bacon, yeah. I'm a little man, yeah. Kiss on your belly, yeah. She got that wet shit, yeah. She got that wet shit, yeah. She got that wet shit, she got that wet shit. Hey girl, how you doing? Look, on double up. Girl, I'm a star. Just like the ceiling I got on my car. Just like the ceiling, girl, take off your top. Look, I'm with the hottest, so I flew that bitch to New York.
To my channel. I know I've been gone for a minute, and I just wanted to come back today. I was gonna do a video on me doing these braids, and it was just, I don't know, it started raining. I was doing them outside, so I couldn't do the video. But today, I made my first frontal wig. And if you watched the video before this one, then you would know that I made a wig before. And it was a close wig. Today, we made a frontal wig. And I ain't even gonna lie, it came out good. It came out better than I expected. Now it was some kinks I had to work out, some flaws, but besides that, it came out good. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I did it. Okay, so instead of buying new hair, I used the hair from the old wig. Okay, so I'm not gonna make this process super long. I watched YouTube videos to see how to do it. I started straight from the videos. I put the frontal on in the back of the head and just started sewing from the middle. As you see, I started on the right side and was just sewing. You see all that, yada yada yada. And yeah. Okay, so from watching the YouTube videos, I know how I sew. I sew double wefted, as you've seen. See, wrap it around once, wrap it around twice, and pull it through. That's how I sew. But in the videos, you see the thick part of the band. It's thick part. They tell you don't sew on that part. And that's something I know I messed up last time when I was doing my closure wig. I sewed on it, and the wig didn't fit properly. That thick band that I'm pointing to, yes, you're not supposed to sew on it. You go beside it as close as you can. And I'm not really sewing super close. This just I prefer. I was trying to make it quick, but yeah, I wasn't just sewing super close, but I did make sure I sewed tight enough. Yeah. Right, this still me sewing on the same right side. I done got to the side of it, like to the ear part, and I'm stopping confused because I'm not sure if like I'm supposed to keep going all the way down, or am I supposed to or did I put it on wrong? So at this point I had completely stopped. This not in the video, but I had stopped, went back to the video, and on the video they didn't show the back. It only showed them doing the front. And I'm like, I don't know if this right. I don't know. It's too much. It's too much frontal, too much. I see too much. And this was like one of the problems. And yeah, it's like I was still going, came back. It was fine, I guess, but I don't know. But at the end, when I ultimately when I did finish, one side was more up than the other side. Like the other side was hanging to my eyebrow. After all this long process, I'm finally done with the right side and doing the same exact thing to the left side. You see how straight I had it, and yet it still wanted to lay on my eyebrows. See, the frontal is finished. I did record me sewing the left side, but I figured the video would be too long. But yes, here's what it looked like when it's finished. It came out all right. One side lower than the other, as you see. Relevant at all. I just want to show y'all the struggle I did because I wanted to be lazy and didn't buy a styrofoam head. Now this one I knew I had messed up by not bleaching the frontal. I kept putting it on my skin trying to make sure it blended in, and you see it did not. Here's mistake 70. I got the band all the way in the back instead of at the front. When I was watching the video, they told me to put it in 2 braids to see how it would look on the forehead. And I don't know why this wasn't my indication that it would be too far up. But I don't listen and don't mind that other braid. Okay, this voiceover stuff really ain't for me, but I skipped through a bunch of the video. This is just me sewing the track hair on, and as I said, I braid. I mean braid. I sew them not too close. I just be sewing. Yeah, as you see, I'm almost finished right here. I'm at the top and I done cut the hair. I did put it in piece by piece. What the heck do I mean? I put it in one strand instead of two, as you see. And I cut it and put the small strands at the top. So long story short, boom, here it is. I did that. Came out super pretty. Even though I doubted myself the entire process. Thought I was slick and just put the hair to one side so it wouldn't be on my eyebrow. But I did cut that part of the edges off where it was touching my eyebrow, and it came out looking a lot better when I cut the part that was on my eyebrow off. My first little frontal wig, and it came out nice. Super nice. So just imagine me when I turn 17 and 18 and you ain't subscribed to my channel, and all of a sudden you just see me popping up out of nowhere with these crazy good wigs. So you might as well go and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I will be back with more wigs. This definitely gotta have some color to it. Like, it's cute right now, but I gotta go back and color to it. And yes, like, now for real, it was like a lot going on when I was making this. I didn't think it'd come out this good, but it came out good. Like, good. But anyways, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, because it is a lot to work on. I ain't perfect, but it came out super good, way better than I thought it would come out. And yeah, subscribe for real, because I'm gonna be back with more videos. And some of y'all been in the comments talking about come back with more videos. Came back.
Like the ceiling, girl, take off your top. Look, I'm with the hottest, so I flew that bitch to New York.